Couple of weeks ago, I got this consult from a school for school clearance regarding a first grade student who expressed that he wanted to die. The school got really concerned because they have not noticed any significant behavior in the past from this child. They also alerted the parents, who also got surprised but also worried when the teacher mentioned that the child cannot return to school unless get clarified from a psychiatrist because of the significant safety concerns after the child make the statement. So everyone got scared. So they brought the child to me, and I can see the child has already been out of school for almost 2 days. And the parents, they both were working, so one parent have to take a time off from work so that they can get a psychiatry clearance letter. So parents were very worried and also not sure what to do. The school also didn't want the child to be back unless the psychiatrist cleared the child to return to the school. So I was trying to get more information, what happened. And this is what child mentioned it to me. He said that I heard someone told me, I believe he went to church or met a grown up, I think, who just ordinary mentioned that in heaven your every desire that you have, every wish that you have, you can it can be fulfilled. So he was saying he just wanted to have a video game, and he was telling his friend while having this conversation that he wanted to have a video game and he wanted to die so that he can go to heaven, so that his wish of video game can be true. And so the teacher just heard about the wanting to die, and the other student also just randomly mentioned to their parent that this is what the other child was saying, and talking about death and heaven, and the other parent also got scared. But the one thing that when I was talking to this child, in an innocent child, talking about simple thing, that he wanted to get this video game, and because the parents they wanted limited screen time, so they were not budging for him to get a video game. So he just wanted to die so that he can go to heaven, so that he can get his wish fulfilled. So I spoke to the school, and I also provide some education. That's it's important to get worried about a child's safety, but it's important to get also some details, some context, and and provide a safe environment where the child can express why the child make that statement, rather than everyone just get worried, and everyone just assume that when the child make that statement, when child wanted to die or wanted to kill himself. And the parents, they also, first they felt very relieved that there was no the significant safety concern. The child was not feeling depressed, sad, or any abuse or anything else, and also just felt little bit frustrated with the school system, that they just kind of, they felt that they exaggerated the situation and just remove the child from the school. They wish that if the school have explored the context and a little bit more, so they may have avoid all this 3 days of miseries and difficulties. So the basic bottom line, what I have educated with the teachers and the parents as well, anytime if child make any statement, sometimes they make this statement out of anger, sometimes they are genuinely feel sad, but try to understand the context, try to understand the meaning behind what the child is trying to say. And then if there is a significant safety concern, definitely have the school clearance, the psychiatry clearance. But if there are some innocent wishes that the child is express and having difficulty expressing because of they have don't have that language or understanding how they can express their wishes, so if that's the case, then it's better to help them how they can express their wish in a more in a way that it won't scare other people.